Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. Thaisn here. Today I'm going to talk about how to create master slide in Google Slide. So those who have not attended the previous classes, kindly attend my previous classes, and actually you can get the information how to actually open slides and how to work on it. So today is class 6. So kindly subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed my channel. So let's get straight away to our session today. So how to just have what is master slide and what it is all about. For example, presentation in the sense we have many slides here, actually more than 20 slides and 25 slides, and each and every slide we want our logo to be placed here and our name here and our company name here, and all that, and the background should be same for all the thing. So what we can do that actually once for all, if I make it for one slide so that it will be applied to all other slides. So let me show you. Just click on slide here. So I'm just going to click on edit master. Here you can see, I'll click on edit master. So this is all the layouts actually which we have, example layouts actually. Even if you click here we will have. So I'm just going to click on master so that if I edit anything here, actually it will be applied to all of my slides. So now I'm going to insert the logo of my company, which should be always inserted in all of my thing. So I'll just get into image and I'm going to click from upload from my computer. Wherever you have, you can just have it. I'm just going to have some icon for my just for my use. Actually you can use it of your whatever your company logo is. So all I'm going to actually, after just try to resize it, and you can just resize it to small and you can just place it wherever you want. And you can see here in all the layouts it has got updated, and even in my first slide also it has got updated. So now I have made it small. Now the next point comes to, I want something called actually my company name, or by Thaisn Begum. I want to write it here. Every time I don't need to write actually. Just what I will do is just get into text box, and what I will do is now I'll click on text box. So once I click text box, can you see a plus button here? Yes, it will appear. So I'm just going to drag, and so here you can see a text box is created. So I'm going to just type here by comma Thaisn Begum. So now I need not to just write this every time. Just I'm going to click on enter. So now it has even updated in my slide, one slide. So something I have written here, so it has got updated. And then the point comes to here I want to write a name of my company, actually some XYZ company. It should appear in all of my what is that called, in all of my slides. So what I will do is I'll just click here, and I'll just click on text box, and I will have here my company name. Okay, so I'll just write here Instagram, something you can write by yourself. So your company name will be displayed there, Instagram, something. Okay, so I'm done with this. Now what I want to do is, in all the slides, my heading should be in bold, and I want it to be in red color. So what I will do is just click to edit the master title. So I will just give it in red color. So in all the layouts I will have my what is it called, my slides heading will be in red color. At the same time my title will be in what is that called, in red color, and also my title will be in bold. And I don't want it to be in Arial. You can just change your font, your size, and also you can give your borders at the same time. For example 3px actually, and however you want to color your border, you can just color your border, fill colors actually for your border. You can do all that, even you can highlight. So however you want, you can just make your border stylish. So this is all about, so I'll make this actually like a dotted. So this is how all it will look like. So when the point next comes to background, so let me show you where is the background option here. So here is something called background option. I'm going to click on background option. I want the same background. For example, you're talking about global warming, you can actually show anything, ozone layer depletion, backside actually you can show. So I'm going to choose an image. If you're talking about any social media, you can have actually social media images at the back as your what is it called, your presentation. So related to your presentation you can have something. For example, I would like to have something from here, from pictures. So let it be some simple thing. Let me choose this one, this Twitter one. So I'll choose here. Now it is done. Now what I'm going to do is, so I'll click on done. So here you can see my background is ready, and also my heading is also ready, my logo is here, and my company name is here, my name is also here. I need not to just every time need not to add this in all the slides. Now that comes to body. My body in the sense actually the next the subtitles actually what you're going to give a message here in the down part. So that all I want it to be in italic. So let me give it in italic. So let me first select all this. So now it has got selected. Now I will give this italic, and then what I will do is, then I'll give a color. Actually already the background color is blue color, so I will make it as red or yellow color so that it can look bright. So here it is. So now I am done with this. I have given a title and all that actually I have given. Even if you want actually border for this one also, you can do the same how I did for you. And here my logo is also ready. So now if I want to give a name for my master slide, I can give a name for my master slide. For example, just rename this, and here I'm going to just type it here as something social, SOCIAL social, and I'm going to just save here OK. So now it is done. Now I have saved it. So let me go and watch actually whether I'm able to. So this you can see here, my title has actually got even my logo is not seen here. So now I can even edit the slide. It's a good thing it has happened. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get into the slide. And here we have something called edit master. So I'll just get into edit master, and again I will just try to see. Here you can see how it looks like. So this should come out. So what I will do is I'll just try to click on this. Here you can see how it looks like. So it shouldn't be like this way. Change the style. Actually I have resized it. Now my logo is also seen, and now you can actually, how much ever you want to just edit, you can edit all your things in the slide. If you want to keep your so here you can see now this is the first one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create one more slide. So I'm just going to create on new slide, and I want to just select a layout for this. So I'll just get into layout. I'll select whatever layout I want actually. For example, I want this type of a layout, then I can just click on this type of a layout. If I want to add a title, I can add a title here. So here you can see, for example, I'm talking about something percentage. So this will be my title actually. If you want, so here you can see my Instagram logo is here, my background is here. I'm not able to change my company name. I cannot edit this, and even Thaisn Begum was also not able to edit. So in all my, even if I just right click here and just I'll click on new slide, and let me just select any layout from here. I'm going to just select a blank layout actually, which I don't want anything to be here. So this is here, you can see my logo, my company name, and Thaisn is here. All I'm going to do is just get into text, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select a text box. So now I have selected a text box. Now I can write whatever I want. For example, I'm going to write here vegetables and fruits, and I want to give an examination for my students. So I'm going to have one more text box here, and I'm going to click on text box, and one more text box I'm going to create. For example, the students has all my points. I can give my points in bulletin, or actually however I want. I can just type here and have one more slide, how much ever slide I want. So this is how we can make master slides and enjoy working in it. Hope you all have got it actually how really it works. You need not to change every time actually apply your background and your logo and your company name and your name. So whatever standard you want, you can make it and use actually all type of layouts. So the layouts will be available here next to the plus symbol. If you just click here, all your layouts will be available here. So you can just have to click here and use it. So friends, now we have seen how to create this and also actually how to have a standard logo and all that. Now I want to give a test for my students, or actually you want something to do with this for your students, or actually how to use this in an effective way. Let me tell you. So now what I'm going to do is, again I'm going to get into slide and I'm going to just click on edit master. So I'll just, once I click on edit master, what we can do is, now here I'm going to click on this text box. So I'm going to just have a text over here. So here a text will be about, for example, I'm going to write here as English science exam. So I'm going to type here SCIENCE science exam for students, and then I'm going to click here. So this won't actually will get removed from here. Again, one more text box I'm going to just introduce here. So this is a text box. So I have here, so I'm going to write here name. So the student will write the name. So where they will write, so now what is it called, this text box. Now I am done. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to insert a placeholder here, a subtitle placeholder here, so that students can write their name here. So here you can see I have placed a subtitle placeholder here so that students can write name. Now I'm just going to insert a table. For example, let me take a table of 2 by 2 matrices. So all I'm going to do is vegetables. So here comes fruits, fruits, fruits. So now select this one and I'm going to just fill color as, actually for vegetables I'll give green color, and at the same time for fruits I'm going to give it as, actually for fruits let me give it something like for fruits I'll give yellow color. So what I will do is, I'll just arrange few fruits and vegetables here so that the students has to just drag and drop here. So let me just show you how students really work on this. So now what I'm going to do is, now this thing is ready. So now all I'm going to do is just, this is ready. So students can't move any of my table, any of my vegetables, nor my fruits. So all they have to do is just drag and drop it. So now this is all fixed it. So now I'm going to just close this one, and now I'm done. So here you can see my vegetables, my fruits and science exams, vegetables and fruits. I have written something here, just leave that. You can edit however you want. And now all I'm going to do is placed. So I'm going to just insert here a few vegetables. So what I'm going to do is images from search from the web. I will just type here. So once I search from web, I will get many types of, so for example, I'm going to type fruits, fruits. So fruits images actually will appear here. So here you can see this is fruits. So this image will get uploaded here, and I'm going to type here vegetables. So I'll just have this, I'll double click on it, and it is automatically will get over here. So now the test is, actually you can have even, I have a group of vegetables here because I don't want to take much of your time. Now the thing is, how students will play with all this is, now you will give a set of, actually make it little more smaller. Now all I will tell is, my students can't disturb any of my school icon, or actually any of my name and all that. All they have to do is, here vegetables is written here, and here the fruits is written here. So now the students will just drag this fruits and they will place it here inside fruits. You can have a single fruits as of now I'm showing you, and the students will drag and keep here fruits without disturbing actually our background and all that. So this is, you can make different types of things actually by using this master slide, and it's really a very interesting feature of this. So thank you so much for listening, and hope you all would have enjoyed this session. Take care. Bye bye.